Are you struggling to stand out in the crowd? Visual content marketing could be the key to your success. Today, we'll explore how infographics, videos, and more can help transform your marketing strategy. Hi, I'm Jen from Starshell Communications, and welcome to my channel. This series is all about content marketing, the different sorts, and how you can use it in your business. So in this video, we'll learn about all about visual content and why it's crucial in this day and age for your business's success. First of all, let's discuss why visual content is more important in today's world. As we all know, the social media channels and YouTube are all pushing visual content like videos and infographics. They're a lot easier to process by the mind, and it catches people's attention quicker than just plain text. Studies show that articles with images get 94% more views than those without. Visual content also helps to boost engagement, making it more likely the audience will like your message. So there's a couple of different types of visual content we're going to talk about. The first one being infographics. Now, these combine images, charts, minimal text to present information in an engaging way. They're a great way to break down complex data, like if you've got an article, and making it easy digestible for people. You can use tools like Canva or PictoChart to make easy, professional-looking infographics, even if you're not a designer. So the next one is videos. Now, these are the most popular that everyone's using at the moment, and they're incredibly versatile. You can use them for tutorials, testimonials, product demos, and lots more. With platforms like YouTube and social media, you can reach a wide audience. Short videos for like TikTok and Instagram Reels quickly grab attention, whilst at longer format like these for YouTube can provide more in-depth information. There are a couple of other different sorts of visual content you can use, like images and graphics. So high quality photos and graphics can help enhance blog posts and social media updates. Slideshows and presentations are great for getting information across in front of a larger audience. And memes and GIFs are great for people who want to have a bit of fun with their content as well. Now I've got a couple of tips for effectively creating great visual content. The first one is to know your audience. I think I've said this in nearly every video I've made, but knowing who you are talking to and understanding their preferences and tailoring the content to match them is the best way to create the most effective content. What works on LinkedIn won't work on Instagram exactly, so you will need to tweak it slightly for every different platform. My next tip would always be to keep it simple and clear. That's the best way to keep customers engaged, understand what it is that you're talking about, and promote you. I would use consistent branding, so make sure that if someone sees your post on a social media channel, it's easily recognizable as yours. This helps to create a cohesive look across your website, social channels, and everything that you're promoting out there. I would always recommend optimizing slightly for the different platforms. So, for example, LinkedIn is B2B, so that tends to be more business-related content. Instagram, TikTok are all more visual, but more B2C, so you can use them to contact a different audience there and slightly tweak the messaging on each one. Now that you've got your visual content, it's time to leverage it effectively. Sharing your visuals across multiple channels to maximize reach. Use them in blog posts, in social media updates, email campaigns, and much more. Repurposing content, as I talked about in my last video, into blog posts or infographics. This saves time, but helps to reinforce your message across a number of different platforms. So just to wrap up there, remember these key points. Visual content is crucial for capturing attention and engaging your audience. There are a number of different sorts that you can do, like videos, infographics, social media posts, and to create them with clarity and consistency and leveraging your visuals across all the different platforms. If you found this video helpful, please do give us a like and subscribe. My name's Jen from Starshell Communications. If you need to get hold of me, all my contact details are below, and I'll be in the comments if you've got any questions. Thanks very much.